So I'm finding out I may have been stolen as a baby, stolen from my parents with the minute I was born or the day I was born, sold into sex trafficking and brought to North America. So I was born somewhere overseas, apparently. And this karmic that's involved here with me here is, I think, is the one that's involved with fucking taking out one of my parents, all because of a trust fund or something or a will worth millions upon millions. It's been stolen from me. These guys are trying to take me out because they know I'm onto them.